Hi guys, I'm Vishali and welcome to HealthVas. Today I'm going to talk about a topic which was requested from a long time, but I'm making a video on this right now after experiencing all those things myself and after doing a lot of research work. So today I'm going to talk about how to gain weight. Some people will find it hard to believe that gaining weight is difficult, but actually it is for a particular group of people, especially for people who are vegetarians or vegans, or for people who are suffering from medical conditions like anemia, hyperthyroidism, or eating disorders, etc. So I'm going to talk about how to gain weight in a healthier way, because gaining weight in an unhealthy way is actually very easy, because you can do a lot of binge eating, you can eat a lot of deep fried food, fast food, junk food, or food which are made up of refined flour, but it is not going to give any value to your body, and therefore I'm not here to tell you how to gain weight in an unhealthy way, but I'm going to guide you about gaining weight in a healthier way by gaining more muscle mass. Always remember that muscles weigh more than fat. So actually it is better to go with the right approach. Okay, so let's not waste time and let's just dive into all those tips which will help you to gain weight. So the first tip is eat a lot. Common sense, right? Okay, I'll make it easier for you. Eat more than 2000 calories. If you are doing a rigorous workout, you should eat approximately 3000 calories in a day, or if you're not doing much workout, you should eat approximately 2300 to 2500 calories per day. Now the problem is how to count it. Don't worry, I'm here for you to do that. Okay, so I'm going to give you an example of my diet which I took when I was in gaining mode, because I lost a little bit of weight because of lockdown. Many factors were involved. So for example, in the morning I usually took smoothies because I think that smoothies are a great option. They are rich in proteins, healthy carbs and healthy fats. So definitely a good option. You should give it a go. I used to make it like this. I soaked one fist of oats, or approximately 25 grams of oats overnight, and I added 250 ml or 300 ml of curd in it. You can also add milk if you don't have sinus problems or if you don't catch cough or cold very easily. And I added one banana, 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder. You can also add cacao powder. These two are really rich in antioxidants and great source of fiber too. And I added 1 to 2 spoons of peanut butter and 5 to 6 soaked almonds and cashew nuts. So combination of all these things into a smoothie is actually a great option, because it is rich in proteins, it is rich in carbohydrates, and it is going to make you feel fuller for a longer time. So definitely try this. And after taking this as my breakfast, I usually took fruits for my mid-breakfast. Now coming to lunch, I usually took 2 chapatis or some rice along with mixed vegetable sabzi or any other sabzi, and 1 katori of dal with that. And I also always took 200 grams or 1 full katori of curd along with that. Now after this, in the evening snacks, I usually had smoothies again, or I took sandwiches which were made up of hummus, because hummus is again a good source of protein. It is actually a great source of protein. Or anything else. Now coming to the dinner, I usually took utpam, chilla or something else. Sometimes it was roti or anything else. So some points to keep in mind from here is that I never compromised on my carbs and I never compromised on my proteins. If you are looking for something which will help you to track all your macronutrients as well as micronutrients, or something which will help you with meal planning according to your goals, you can definitely contact me. You can DM me on Instagram. Right now I've started with a program, an amazing program which is affordable too. It will help you to achieve your goals by helping you with meal planning and with your exercise routine as well. So you can definitely contact me for that. Now coming to the second tip, remember to take foods which are primarily composed of carbohydrates at least 3 times a day. Not 2, at least 3 times a day. And rest should be considered as snacking. Now third point, maybe you will have to switch your best friends. Don't worry, I'm talking about best friends in the form of food. You'll have to make nut butters, smoothies, milk, curd, ghee, all these things your best friends, especially if you're vegetarian, because all these sources are really high in proteins and healthy fats. So these things are really going to help you with gaining weight in a healthier way. Now coming to the next point, this is really very important and this should not be overlooked. Don't give yourself an excuse to consume more unhealthy food, processed food, deep fried food, etc. because you are in the process of gaining weight. Consuming all these foods will actually have a negative impact on your health. These can also create hormonal imbalances in your body. And actually, this is not the right approach to gain your health. Now, coming to the last point, make sure to do exercise. Even if you are skinny, make sure to do exercise, because if you are taking a diet which is full of proteins and if you are not doing exercise, that protein will eventually end up in your adipose tissues in the form of your fat, and gaining fat is not your goal, gaining muscles is your goal. So do make sure to do exercise and follow all these points, and also make sure to give a thumbs up to this video if you like this. Do subscribe my channel if you haven't done this before, and do share this video with all the other people who are in need to gain weight. And yeah, take care, stay healthy and have a great day.